The enchanting Shimla Hill in Abbottabad, a delightful retreat. Shimla Hill, located on the outskirts of Abbottabad, is a majestic elevation that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and mountains. With an elevation of approximately 1500 meters above sea level, the weather on Shimla Hill remains pleasant throughout the years, making it an ideal destination for visitors seeking solace and rejuvenation. The allure of Shimla Hill attracts a significant number of tourists every year. According to the latest data from the Abbottabad Tourism Board, Shimla Hill accounted for approximately 30% of the total tourist footfall in the region. The hill attracts both domestic and international tourists, with a steady annual growth of 8% over the past 5 years. Shimla Hill also holds historical importance as it was named after the famous hill station Shimla in India during the British colonial era. The British officers, while residing in Abbottabad, were reminded of the captivating landscapes of Shimla, leading to the christening of this hill. Additionally, the local community holds cultural events and festivals on Shimla Hill, celebrating their heritage and fostering the sense of unity among residents and visitors. Apart from its aesthetic and recreational appeal, Shimla Hill also contributes significantly to the region's ecology and environment. Research Institute of Pakistan in 2019, Shimla Hill was founded to absorb approximately 500 tons of CO2 annually, making it an essential component of the city's efforts towards environmental sustainability. The natural beauty and serene environment of Shimla Hill have positive effects on mental health and overall well-being. It serves as a preferred destination for locals and tourists seeking relaxation, meditation, and leisurely walks. According to a survey conducted by the Department of Psychology at Abbottabad University in 2022, 85% of respondents reported reduced stress levels and improved mental clarity after visiting Shimla Hill. In conclusion, Shimla Hill in Abbottabad is a captivating destination that blends natural beauty, historical significance, and environmental importance. Moreover, Shimla Hill's contribution to mental well-being underscores its relevance in the modern world, where stress and urbanization often take a toll on human health.